Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Equifax to your American Express account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect your Equifax account to your American Express account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Equifax website. Log into your Equifax account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the Credit Report or Credit Monitoring section. Locate the option to link or connect accounts. Select the option to add a new account. You will be prompted to provide your financial institution's details. Enter American Express in the field for the financial institution. Follow any on-screen prompts to authenticate your American Express account. This may include providing your American Express login information. Make sure to verify all financial information for accuracy. Once authenticated, check for any permissions to allow data sharing. Review and agree to the terms if prompted. After confirming the connection, return to your Equifax account dashboard. Look for any notifications that confirm the link has been established. If successful, your American Express account should now appear in your Equifax account. Monitor your Equifax account for the latest updates from your American Express transactions. You have now successfully connected your American Express account to Equifax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.